We are going to be taking a fall cruise up the Connecticut River. Are you ready for a boat ride, Trooper? Hugh Hefner and his bunny. That windstorm kind of screwed some stuff up. This is Chris, and I'm Cindy, and this is our salty dog Trooper and our salty kitty Stella, and we've got some salty tales to tell you. So make sure you continue watching and also click the subscribe button so you don't miss any in the future. Hello everybody. We are at the boat. We are going to be taking a fall cruise up the Connecticut River. A foliage cruise, we'll call it. We have a couple of people joining us, so we're just waiting on them. We filled up the water. Chris topped off the antifreeze on the engines. It was low for some reason. And then we're just going to get ready to go. It's tough because we're missing football today, but we're getting probably one of the last boating days in for the season. So this is most likely our last boat trip until next weekend, and then next weekend we're going to bring it over to where we're storing it. So that'll be it. We're not staying until December this year because that was nutty and a bad decision. So we're going to have the boat out first week of November instead. So yeah, I guess that's it. So I'm pretty excited about the fall cruise. I think we are just about at peak season in the river. So I think it's going to be beautiful. I will try to capture some of that for you. And yeah, I guess that's it. I am hanging on to this cough I have. We had COVID a month ago, and I think because of my autoimmune disease, I hang on. So I can't get rid of this cough. It's so bad. I've tried everything, so I don't need any suggestions. There's nothing I can do except just suffer. But it is what it is. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Trooper. Hi. Did he even do anything?
Ate a little.
Yeah, he's a faker. Fakety fake faker. Are you ready for a boat ride, Trooper? I think he is. He had his Serenia, so that's all we give him now. We don't give him any of the anti-anxiety stuff because we discovered it's pretty much mostly seasickness. So we're down to just the Serenia for him, right, Chris?
Yeah.
I know you know what's going on with all that, right?
I sure do.
No, you don't. And we're still pulling.
That sun is strong though. When it's actually on you, it warms you up. All the sun. Yeah.
So Chris only has the throttle on this one engine to push the boat because we're literally getting pushed this way because the current.
So if you had both on, it would go that way?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh.
I felt it as soon as he started doing it. I'm like, ooh, the current.
And I'm so glad you guys popped that on the boat.
Oh yeah.
Every season. Once
That was
10 out of 10. Freaking sunset. That's the day.
What's happening, buddy?
Don't film me. I look like.
Come on, you're hot. We are on our way back to Westport. I didn't film any fall foliage because it's gone. We think we actually missed it by a week. Which is strange because I don't think the leaves changed in our yard.
It changed and it had that windstorm.
Yeah, Dory.
Oh yeah, we had a very windy fall again.
And rainy.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna have another one.
So there was nothing to film. So we just came into the cove that we love, and we were just hanging out. We had chili and watched football, and we just ate some yummy, healthy brownies, and we're going back. We're heading back. Next weekend, I believe, will be our last boat trip for the season. But don't worry, we have lots of boat projects that we're going to do. We have a list, and you'll get to come along with us. So I'm coming from my house here. I just thought I'd share a little of the chaos. We just got a call from our buddy who is at our marina with us, and he checks, you know, on the boats and stuff. And we had a lot of wind again this fall. We had a lot of wind. We didn't think it was a big deal, but apparently it was. So he just called and he said our boat is tripping the power on the entire dock. And I was like, that's really strange. It's never happened before. So I was like, all right. So I said, well, we'll get Chris down there. And then he's like, well, I can check it. And then he goes, oh wait, your ramp is completely ripped off your boat. So then he calls back, because I said, all right, I'm sending Chris. He calls back and he says one of the shore power cables had unplugged from the boat because the wind stretched our line so bad, the boat was moving so much. And the shore power cable came out of the plug and fell into the ocean, and that's why it was tripping the dock. So yeah, we're probably out a shore power cord or a good foot or two of it, and we're probably gonna have to repair the ramp, and we might have damage to our boat. So, and this is all happening on Halloween, which is no big deal normally, except we get 800 trick-or-treaters, and I'm not exaggerating, 800 trick-or-treaters at our house. And so we have friends coming over. So I'm making, you know, pasta and meat sauce. You know, I'm trying to get ready. Chris and I need to get in costume. We're trying to set up the yard. So now we had to go to the marina. So it just never ends. Like, it never ends. You know, like I know you get like crazy stuff happen like with your house, but like boats are just interesting, I gotta say. But anyway, I think I am the most mad at the fact that the marina isn't checking on the boats. They're not making sure the boats are safe. They're not doing dock walks. Like one of the old marinas that we were at, they walked the dock. Like you would see them pass by your dock like 3 times a day, checking the lines, making sure the boats were good. And that's a little excessive, but I'm like, and it's windy as heck. So it's like, as a marina, like, wouldn't you want to check the boats? Like, I don't know. So yeah, I'm pretty irritated with that. I don't know. I wish this marina wasn't in such a convenient place because we would be out. We'd be out. It's just they charge so much money and you don't get what you pay for. Oh my God. All right. So my phone's been ringing off the hook. I gotta go. Bye. Still getting ready for Halloween. Chris came home. There is no damage to the boat, but he is putting our shore power cord in a bucket of water. We're hoping to be able to salvage it. We don't know how far the water went up. The salt water went up into it. But we might be able to salvage it because they're really expensive, especially the white ones. But he was able to get the batteries charging on the other shore power cord. So at least that's not an issue anymore. And there is no damage to the boat itself, just the passerelle, the hardware that the passerelle connects to the boat on, that broke. Totally fixable. So, whew. But yeah, trick-or-treaters will be here any minute. Hopefully we'll be able to get some of it on film. And we're about to get in costume. Hugh Hefner and his bunny. What is that about?
Hello, ladies.
That's all the cars coming into our neighborhood to trick or treat. They're full of kids. Lots of kids. So yeah, this is what we do every year. Our neighbors over here, they are doing like a big shindig, so we're gonna go over there after the trick-or-treating. We've got ours set up all here. That's all backup candy. We keep a full second bowl because I'm telling you people, it gets crazy. There's the pumpkin. Everybody takes selfies with him. And there's Hugh Hefner.
Hello, ladies.
What's up, buddy?
Nothing, you.
Good. No, yeah. This looks good.
Oh my goodness. What do you say? Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
You're welcome. Trick or treat. Come on. Where's your pout? Let me see it.
I got the file right here.
Let me see the pout. We're running to the boat really quick and he didn't want to take Trooper. But I won because look who's with us. Do we have everything?
Probably
We got the
not.
passerelle.
Yep.
I'm recording so he doesn't murder me. You can't kill me if we're recording, right?
Then go back and erase it. Throw the camera away.
So if this ever makes an appearance when I'm gone, you all know who did it.
There's a long list. I'm not alone.
No, that is not true. Everybody loves me. Haha. Let's take a vote. Everybody drop it in the comments. Who's your favorite, Chris or Cindy? Considering he never talks, I think we know who wins. What you doing, Trooper Duper? Where are you going, Trooper? There's still a ton of boats in. It's November 2nd. I mean, there's a lot going on, but there's still so many in. And last night it got down to like 39 degrees, so we aren't staying until December like last year. That was bad, especially because it's been very windy. So we are gonna bring the boat over to the marina where we're storing it this coming Friday. But that windstorm kind of screwed some stuff up. So Chris is here plugging in another shore power cable because the storm took ours out. We also had to buy that new connector. That was a nice $160 expense because our connector was in the water. That's a nice connector, huh?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Fancy.
And you don't have to screw it in either. It has this
Nice.
flat that, like, you squeeze this,
Yeah.
it pulls off.
Ooh, I like that. That probably won't rip out as easy then.
Probably.
Hopefully. Well, I guess it's worth it. What's the matter, Trooper? Tell me your problems. What's the matter? You want to run free? I know. Here, let's get you on the boat. You step down here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Right here. You can do it. Come on. You're so scared without that ramp, huh? Come on.
Put it on in a second.
You just come right here. It's okay. Come on. Oh my gosh. Such a weirdo. Where are you going? Come on. Where are you going? Oh, he got scared of the boat. It's okay. Look, Daddy's fixing it. Come on. Look. Daddy's fixing it for you. Chris had to repair the passerelle. It got a little beat up, but you know what? The way I was told, it was like, oh, the passerelle's all messed up. Come here, Troop. Look, we got the ramp. You ready? We got the ramp. Daddy's so great. See, nothing to be scared of. You big silly goober. All right. So we're just here to check on the boat. turn on the shore power. And then we're gonna head home and watch football. Is this ready to plug in? I mean, turn on? Oh, it already was. That was already on. Let me plug it in here.
It's on?
It's
Yeah, I
on.
shut it off. I didn't turn it on here yet.
Oh, okay. Oh, the wall's fine. It was fine. All right, the boat is secured. We're gonna go watch some foosball. Cowboys. Yeah. We don't want boating season to be over. Well, we still have one more trip. I mean, it's not a fun trip, but it's a trip. Right, Chris?
Right.
All right. That's nice. I'm glad I got that on film. What you doing?
I'm just like looking and thinking.
Looking and thinking. Looking and thinking. I know, Trooper. I don't know what he's doing either. He's like, I don't know what's going on. Why are we leaving? He doesn't want boating season over either. Oh. It stinks. But we have a lot of projects this winter, so hopefully it'll go by fast. Did he even do anything?
Hey, the whole whiz bang.
He's a faker.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.